welcome to Stay Smart Adventures, and this is Disney's Polynesian Village Resort at Walt Disney World in Florida. This resort opened in 1971 and is located in the Magic Kingdom Resort area on the monorail loop. This is a tropical South Pacific themed resort where you'll be welcomed with a lei upon check-in. Rooms at the Polynesian are located in buildings called longhouses. The room you are about to see is the Deluxe DVC Studio Standard View Villa located in the Moorea Longhouse. DVC stands for Disney Vacation Club, which is Disney's vacation ownership timeshare program. Anyone can book a DVC villa subject to availability. These DVC rooms are among the largest studios. They feature 2 bathrooms with 2 showers, a kitchenette, and a porch or a balcony depending on the floor you're on. This is the first bathroom upon entry to the room. You have a nice closet here. Your kitchenette with coffee maker, toaster, microwave, mini fridge. And your second bathroom with a beautiful shower and just a little more space to get ready in the morning. The room sleeps up to 5 people and features a single pull down right here. A queen bed, some beautiful Moana artwork, here's the view from the balcony of some landscaping, and you have 1 queen pull down. Coming down from the room, be sure to make your way to the lava pool. This pool features a towering volcano with one of the best water slides at a Disney hotel. This pool has a 0 depth entry point and many poolside activities throughout the day. The barefoot pool bar is a great spot to grab a drink or a snack. And the beach is my favorite spot to watch the fireworks. There's currently some construction going on as there is a big expansion with a new tower being built called the Island Tower, which is projected to open in December of 2024. This resort is iconic Disney. You're in the heart of the Magic Kingdom. You have plenty of dining options at the Polynesian, and you are a quick monorail ride to the Grand Floridian or Contemporary. You also have buses and boats that will take you around. The only negative is the resort can feel a little overcrowded at times, and the long houses are spread out, so be sure to factor in some extra travel time. I am rating this hotel a must-go. It is one of my favorite places, and I highly recommend you experience it. I hope you enjoyed this hotel tour. Please give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.